Tutorial: CLP Touch Display Time Controlled Mode. The tutorial refers to the CLP Touch Operation Manual Chapter 3.9. This tutorial will introduce you to the details of the time-controlled mode. You will learn how to set the mode and how to check the settings. What is the time-controlled mode? In the time-controlled mode, the pump switches continuously between the set lubrication time and the set pause time. When cycle switch monitoring is activated, the pump requires one signal from the cycle switch per lubrication cycle. How to set the time-controlled mode? To change the working mode, press the Set icon. On the next screens, press Set and then change settings. Enter the 4-digit pump PIN by using the key arrows, and confirm with the checkmark icon. Press Change and select Time-Controlled Mode. Activate or deactivate cycle switch monitoring. How to set the lubrication time and pause time. Set the lubrication time by using the key arrows. Confirm each digit by pressing the checkmark icon. Confirm the value. To set the pause time, use the key arrows. Confirm each digit by pressing the checkmark icon. Confirm the value. Confirm all values by pressing checkmark icon. How to check the settings. To view the settings, press the Set icon. On the next screens, press Set and then View Settings. Press the checkmark icon to view all setting details. Read the CLP Touch Operation Manual for more information.